If you want to center text in the middle of the page in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to vertically center your text so it sits right in the middle of the page, not just centered from left to right. This is really useful for cover pages, title pages, certificates, and any document where you want that clean professional layout. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure the text you want to center is already in place. This method works best when you want the text to move to the middle of the page vertically. Now go up to the Layout tab at the top of Word. The Layout tab is where you'll find page formatting options like margins, orientation, and spacing. Once you're in Layout, look for the small Page Setup dialog box launcher. It's usually a tiny arrow in the corner of the Page Setup section. Click that to open the full Page Setup window. This is where the vertical alignment setting lives, and it gives you more control over how content is positioned on the page. When the Page Setup dialog box opens, click on the Layout tab inside that window. This is important because the option we need is not in the main page settings area. Under the page section, you'll see a setting called vertical alignment. By default, this is usually set to top, which means your text starts near the top of the page. To center the text in the middle of the page, click the vertical alignment drop-down menu and change it to center. This tells Word to place the content evenly between the top and the bottom margins, so your text appears vertically centered on the page. Before you confirm, double check that you're applying this to the correct section or document. If your file has multiple sections, Word may let you apply the change to the whole document or just a specific section. If you only want one page centered, make sure the correct selection is chosen. Then click OK to apply the changes. Now, Word will automatically reposition the text so it sits in the center of the page. You should see the difference right away. If the text still doesn't look exactly how you want it, you may need to adjust spacing, line breaks, or margins slightly. But for most cases, setting vertical alignment to center is the key step. And that's it. You've now centered text in the middle of the page in Microsoft Word. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in the look of your document. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.